Hello and welcome to our channel where we explore the possibilities of the future. Today we are going to explore the topic of a zombie apocalypse happening in the future. Although this may seem like a fictional concept, there are scientific and societal factors that could potentially lead to a catastrophic outbreak. There are many possible causes of a zombie apocalypse. One of the more common theories is the emergence of a deadly virus that spreads rapidly and is difficult to contain. In recent years, we have seen outbreaks of deadly viruses such as Ebola and SARS, which have caused widespread panic and have highlighted the importance of being prepared for such outbreaks. If a virus were to mutate into a more lethal form or if it was engineered in a laboratory, it could have disastrous consequences. Another possible cause of a zombie apocalypse could be bioterrorism. Terrorists could use viruses and other biological agents to cause widespread destruction. This is a concern that many government agencies take very seriously, and they have developed contingency plans and security measures to prevent such an attack from occurring. However, if a terrorist group were to successfully carry out such an attack, it could result in widespread panic and social breakdown. A natural disaster could also trigger a zombie outbreak. For example, a meteor impact or a supervolcanic eruption could lead to a sudden decline in the human population, which could cause a breakdown in social order and the emergence of zombies. In addition, climate change and its resulting effects, such as rising sea levels and increased frequency and intensity of natural disasters, could also lead to the emergence of a zombie outbreak. The popular video game The Last of Us offers an example of how a zombie outbreak could occur. In the game, a fungal infection called cordyceps infects humans and turns them into violent, zombie-like creatures. While cordyceps only affects insects in real life, scientists believe that it could potentially evolve to infect humans. If this were to happen, it could lead to a catastrophic outbreak. Another possible cause of a zombie outbreak could be the emergence of a new disease that is resistant to antibiotics. With the overuse of antibiotics, many diseases have evolved to become resistant to the drugs used to treat them. If a new disease were to emerge that was resistant to all known treatments, it could lead to a zombie-like outbreak. But how could a zombie outbreak happen in the first place? One possibility is that a new virus or disease could be spread through the air or through bodily fluids. This could happen through a terrorist attack or through natural means, such as a new strain of the flu virus. Once the virus spreads, it could lead to a breakdown in social order as people panic and try to flee the affected area. So, what can we do to prepare for a potential zombie outbreak? First, we need to have contingency plans in place at the local, national, and international levels. This includes having stockpiles of medical supplies and equipment, as well as having trained personnel ready to respond to an outbreak. This would require significant investment in scientific research and development, as well as cooperation between governments and medical institutions worldwide. Second, we need to invest in research and development of vaccines and treatments for potential infections that could cause a zombie-like outbreak. This would require significant investment in scientific research and development, as well as cooperation between governments and medical institutions worldwide. Third, we need to have effective communication and coordination between authorities and the public in case of an outbreak. This includes providing accurate and timely information to the public, as well as implementing measures to contain the spread of the infection, such as quarantine zones and travel restrictions. In conclusion, a zombie apocalypse may seem like a far-fetched idea, but there are many potential factors that could lead to such an outbreak. While it is impossible to predict the future, it is important to be prepared for all eventualities, including the possibility of a zombie outbreak. In summary, a zombie apocalypse could happen in the future due to a variety of factors, including the emergence of deadly viruses or diseases, bioterrorism, natural disasters, or the evolution of fungi or bacteria. The popular video game The Last of Us provides a hypothetical example of how a zombie outbreak could occur. To prepare for a potential outbreak, we need to have contingency plans in place, invest in research and development of vaccines and treatments, and have effective communication and coordination between authorities and the public. Thank you for watching, and let us know in the comments what you think about the possibility of a zombie apocalypse in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the possibilities of the future.